guys and welcome back to my channel. So on my lips today I'm wearing the purple lip crayon in the shade From Sharing to Caring 2. These are extremely matte, so make sure that your lips are quite moisturized before you apply them, otherwise they can feel a little dry on your lips. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to apply a serum, when you should apply it and the right way to apply it so that you get maximum results. And if you want to know, then please keep watching. So the face serum that I'm going to use is from Mamaearth. It's the Skin Correct Face Serum with niacinamide and ginger extract. Now this particular serum helps with acne marks and scars and helps even out your skin tone as well. Now both these ingredients together helps reduce acne scars and marks. It minimizes large pores and improves the overall skin texture. This serum is dermatologically tested and can be used on all skin types. The product has no harsh chemicals and is free of SLS, parabens and mineral oils. The consistency is extremely light, so it gets absorbed into your skin without sitting on the surface. So whenever you apply any kind of serum, make sure to start with a clean washed face. You can go in with your toner, but the next step should be your serum. Your serum should come first in your skincare routine before any kind of moisturizer or cream, because the consistency of serum is such that it really penetrates into your skin. Now I'm not a fan of applying serum directly on the skin. I like to apply it in between my fingers, rub it and then pat it into my skin. Whenever you are working with serums, make sure to pat it into your skin first so that most of the serum gets immediately absorbed into your skin and can work effectively. Now the first motion that I like using is I push it into my skin, and then once I feel like 80% of the serum is absorbed, after that I like to pat it and then swipe it. This way it gets completely absorbed into your skin and the serum starts working effectively. Now I've taken up the 1 bottle challenge by Mamaearth and I've used this serum enough to let you know that this does help you with the overall quality of your skin. It does help with texture and any kind of pigmentation and marks. Now the ingredient niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3 which helps in the overall quality of your skin. It helps reduce inflammation, it helps with the skin's elasticity, it will shrink large pores, and the ginger will help with any kind of marks and pigmentations, and overall this will just help you get that radiant glow and even out your skin completely. Finding the right serum and using it the right way and being consistent with these kind of routines really helps with the overall quality of your skin. Your skin will look better and feel better. So you can also take up this 1 bottle challenge and share your experience. You can finish the entire bottle. When you stay consistent with some product, you will definitely see results, but you have to stay consistent, guys. While applying this serum, you can also give yourself a nice facial massage. If you do not know how to give yourself a facial massage, you can just use these tapping motions, and this will help increase the blood circulation, which again in turn will help with the quality of your skin. You can use this serum for your makeup routine as well. Makeup sits really well on this serum and does not feel heavy or cakey at all. Plus it makes your makeup look really natural and blends in with your skin really well. All Mamaearth products are chemical free and all natural. Mamaearth is plastic positive, which means that they recycle more plastic than they use. The brand is now officially certified from PETA as cruelty free. You can try their other serums for your other needs as well. The Skin Plump Face Serum with hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil. This will help with anti-aging and keep your skin really supple. Or the Skin Illuminate Face Serum with vitamin C and turmeric for a radiant looking skin. If you have a lot of pigmentation, you can use this and this will help you out. You can use my code Miriam2020 to get 20% off on mamaearth.in, and their products are also available on Mamaearth, Amazon and Nykaa. This is how my skin looks close up, guys. So I will leave all the links for you to check it out in the description box. I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.